welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make a fish and chips. Come on. I will be teaching my husband to cook fish and chips now. Mommy only, see? Okay, so first we have to tell them the ingredients. What are the ingredients, Dad? What's this, Dad? Flake. So yeah, flake. And then breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, and salt. So the first thing we have to do, Dad, do you know? The first thing we have to make, we don't know. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to put the fish on the egg. Okay, and then so I will arrange which one to go first. So that one, and then this one, and that one. So get one fish, one flake. Wait a Okay, wait for a while. Okay, first you get one, and then flip back. Okay, good job, Daddy. Our chef for tonight. Okay, and then to the flour, make sure it's covered, all of the parts of the fish. That one you can use here. Okay, great job, Daddy. Done now. And then yes, crumb, and you have to tap it like this. Okay, very good. The fish is covered with breadcrumbs. I will get a. So we are going to put it here then. Okay, put here. And then after all covered, all the three, then we have to try it. Okay, next, Dad. So just do the same. Breadcrumbs. Okay. Covered over the side. Okay, and flour next. Great job, Daddy. It's his first time to cook fish and chips. First time to cook. He doesn't know how to cook, so I'm gonna teach him. So next time I feel like I'm sick. So Mark, can you cook me fish and chips? You birdies. Okay, next, last one. Great job. Let me get this. So flour. To make sure that all the fish is covered with the eggs, so the flour would stick to it, and it's nice when you fry them. So okay, again, and you have to tap it. Great job. Wow, serious, Kaisha. You're so serious. You're trying to make sure that it's covered properly, and I will be your judge, okay, for your fish and chips. Okay, 10 is the highest, which means it's good, and 1 is so-so. 5 is so-so, and 1 is Okay. Okay, great job, Daddy. Tapping. Yeah, that's it. Maybe the other one is not tapped, the smaller one. Not yet covered properly. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay. So, okay, we have to. Yes. So you pick the first fish. Okay. Wow. No need to put that one. No, it doesn't. It's only splash when it's like thin bases of oil. So like that, it's like in a bubble. Oh, where's your shoes? Someone lost his shoes. Where's your shoes? Wow. Yeah, wait for until it turns golden brown. So how was your cooking? Huh? Do you think you will cook it right? Huh? At the beginning. It's his first time to cook, so we will see if it's perfect. Well, you can improve, like, time. How about this one? How about this boy? You like fish and chips? Yeah, that's good. I want that fruit. You want that fruit? Yeah. Wait until it turns golden brown. maybe 2 minutes more. And almost finished. I'm excited. I think it's our first time to really cook fish and chips, no? We have it 1 minute more and then that's it. Okay. Maybe this one is too thick, no? But I just want like that supermarket. Didn't know this slice. Okay. We need a bigger plate. Okay, one plate and we just put. Okay, you get it. Okay. So for our fries, we're gonna use that. So I use this fries, and we're gonna cook it through air fryer XL Phillips. So we're gonna use this one for our fries. So what we need to do is we're just gonna need to put all of those inside. So all of those inside. Shake, baby, and then turn it on. I'm sorry, di pa naka-turn on. So, I'm back. So, turn it on and set the temperature to 180 degrees. And for the 500 grams of fries, we have to set the time for 6 to 9 minutes. See? Fries, 6 to 9 minutes and 180 degrees. So we're gonna do that one. Set for 180 degrees. Can you see? Yeah. And 9 minutes. We'll just say 9 minutes, the maximum. So 7 minutes, and we'll see if the fries is cooked. And then just press the circle button. Here we go. So it's done. Oopsie. From the air fryer. Yummy. We're so excited. Get a bit of salt. A bit of salt. And ready to eat.